What's good, everybody? It's Mario, Mid-South Softwash. Today we're going to be working on a gutter cleaning service. As always, we appreciate everyone, man, for tuning in, liking, and subscribing. Let's get to it. So the pitch of this roof was just low enough for me to feel comfortable walking it. And as you can see, I'm using a blower, but whatever your method is, blower, broom, by hand, whatever, the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is go ahead and get the roof line and the gutters cleaned out. And yeah, that was my headphones. With the amount of debris on this roof, it hadn't been cleaned in a couple of years. Definitely take all of this into consideration when you're doing your estimates, man. Pictures and videos may help, just to show the customer what's going on. Most of them already understand, man. They know when the last time they've had any of these services performed. But like I said, definitely take this into consideration when you're doing your estimates, man, and price accordingly. Okay, now that we've cleared the gutters and the roof line of all the debris, basically what we're gonna do is go ahead and grab our hose and we're gonna start rinsing down the inside of the gutters, just clearing it of any additional debris and making sure that we have a good flow of water coming out of the downspouts. So a portion of this home did have gutter guards, which prevent from large leaves, pine cones, etc. From getting into the gutter. But as you can see by that thick, muddy-like consistency down there on the ground, the gutter guards don't prevent clogging. So you definitely still want to rinse that section. After that, I like to go around and just rinse the entire gutter line, just knocking off any dirt and everything that's left over. After that, man, we call it a day. Again, Mario, Mid-South Softwash. I appreciate you guys for tuning in.